Searching for the ultimate luxurious escape filled with glitz and glam in California? Welcome to Wander Sunset Strip. I'm Sydney, taking you on a tour of this glamorous, contemporary home that can sleep 6 people comfortably, boasting 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a pool, and even a movie room. As soon as you walk in, you'll notice the grand, dramatic staircase featuring wooden slats and a really unique light fixture, adding both a modern touch and an artistic quality. I just really love this staircase that leads to the downstairs, and opposite of the staircase is our living room. Let's go check it out. The living room has high ceilings and an eye-catching stone fireplace wall. Guys, it is so gorgeous here. I love the open floor plan. There are beautiful warm hardwood floors, neutral tones and cream colors that really just make it luxurious and cozy. And my favorite part, the floor-to-ceiling glass sliding doors that open up to reveal this stunning view, and it creates for a perfect, seamless indoor-outdoor living space. I love the well-maintained yard. It's like an oasis with the hot tub and pool. And there's an outdoor barbecue. This gourmet chef's kitchen is absolutely perfect for entertaining your guests. We have marble countertop with backsplash, the bar in the back, built-in appliances, and everything you need to really prepare the most amazing meal. Also, at Wander, you can ask our concierge to recommend some private chefs in the area in case you get tired of cooking. You can also seat your guests with 4 seats here at the island to enjoy your meal. Or you can enjoy your meal at this beautiful, luxurious dining table that seats 8. You'll notice a theme here with these unique light fixtures. I love how it really brightens up the space and makes everything pop. Also love the gorgeous art that surrounds the house. At every Wander house, you'll notice that the architecture is carefully curated and designed to match the location. Here in Hollywood, we're known for our Sunset Strip. We want to deliver opulence and want to highlight the natural beauty of the area. The primary bedroom is absolutely massive. Here we have a beautiful king-size mattress, a working desk, ensuite bathroom, and a large walk-in closet. I love that you can wake up to these floor-to-ceiling windows, giving you a flood of natural light, a view of the pool, and the landscape of Los Angeles. Here at Wander, we want to make sure that we exceed your expectations and give you the best sleep experience so that you sleep even better here than you do at home. And every single bedroom features a beautiful mattress that conforms to your personal preference, from plush to firm, so that you wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Next to the beds are wireless chargers, so you don't have to worry if you forget your charger at home. The primary bathroom is absolutely stunning. It's ornate, luxurious, and modern. We have a walk-in shower with black, beautiful marble that matches the black marble countertops on opposite sides of the room, featuring a soaking tub in the center. We want to ensure here at Wander that we exceed your expectations. We have shampoo, conditioner, and we give you plush Wander robes, towels, and slippers. This house also features a towel warmer next to the tub, so it really is like a spa. Opposite of the primary bedroom features our second guest bathroom for privacy. It's perfect for your guests. And our second bedroom. We've got a gorgeous king-size mattress, TV, and a beautiful ensuite bathroom with a soaking tub and a rain shower. All right, y'all, we covered the main floor. Now it's time to head downstairs and check out the movie room. Come on. Here we have the moment you've all been waiting for. The movie room, complete with a projector, workstation, gorgeous sectional sofa, Peloton, rowing machine, free weights, anything you could possibly need for comfort and style. You can also enjoy the floor-to-ceiling windows, natural light, and an outdoor patio. Downstairs, we have our third bedroom featuring a gorgeous king-size mattress, flat screen TV, ensuite bathroom, so cozy and comfy, and your guests will love it. Our fourth bathroom, complete with a floating sink, black marble countertop, beautiful zen space. Oh, I just love it. One of the main benefits of staying at Wander compared to other vacation homes is the ultra-modern workstations at every property. Here we have ubiquity hardware throughout the entire property, high-speed internet, making for a perfect work and living space. And here at Wander Sunset Strip, we have one for your use. Every workstation features a Herman Miller Aran chair, known for its unparalleled back support. Equipped with the best Logitech Brio 4K camera, you will look crystal clear on all of your Zoom calls, eliminating the need for a virtual background. Enjoy a 38-inch extra-wide LG curved monitor. My favorite thing is I just had to use one wire to plug in my laptop, making it simple and hassle-free. All right, that's the beautiful interior of our home, but there are still a few things I need to tell you about that will enhance your stay. Come on, let's go check out the pool. Outside, the resort-style lush lawn, pool, and hot tub are a true oasis. There's no better place for relaxation, sunbathing, and swimming. At night, you can stargaze and catch the sunrises and sunsets. You really cannot beat these canyon views, the beaming lights of the city, and how fresh the air is. I just love it here, you guys. You're not gonna wanna leave. Make your family vacation even better with Wander. Allow us to provide essential children's items such as high chairs and cribs to save precious luggage space for your travels. Ever feel overwhelmed on what you should do during your stay? We can help with that. Simply check out the travel guide to get recommendations on what to do, see, and eat in the area. And if you need more help, the Wander Concierge will be able to assist you anytime. Simply text the number shown here with any questions you have. Here at Wander, we believe that life's special moments, such as weddings or family gatherings, are meant to be celebrated together. These properties are the perfect backdrop for all of these occasions. Whether it's a bachelor, bachelorette party, dream wedding, family reunion, we got you covered. Visit wander.com/events to learn more about how you can make your life experiences extraordinary. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of Wander Sunset Strip. We are so excited to welcome you. And with that, there's a lot to do in the area, so head to our travel guide to get all the details. Bye.